Manchester farmer succumbed to injuries after being shot through a window. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in Manchester are probing the shooting of a farmer who was shot at his home in Freetown in the parish on Tuesday night. The deceased has been identified as 40-year-old Glenroy Freckleton. Superintendent Shane McCullough, head of the Manchester Police, told reporters that at around 11:40 p.m., gunmen shot Freckleton through a window at his home. He was taken to the Mandeville Regional Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. McCullough said that investigators are following leads into the incident. Sources said that Freckleton had been targeted by previous larcenies in the past. Michael Phillips, Member of Parliament for Manchester North Western, condemned Freckleton's killing and called for more resources for the police in that division. The Member of Parliament further added that North West Manchester only have one police station, which is located in Mile Gully, and that they only have one vehicle, and so far there have been an increase in previous larcenies and robberies within that area. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.